Hello everybody, Jonathan Rayo here with Simplified Guitar, and in this lesson I'm going to be teaching you how to play the song Altars Over Stages by Josiah Queen. This song was recommended by Patron Israel Wright. Thank you, Israel, for your song suggestion. Now what I'm going to do first is play all the way through the song, and then at the end I will break it down and explain it to you in more detail. So make sure to stick around for that. For now, let's go ahead and play through the song.
So they've all gone off to him, I said to that baptizer. We watched as all his friends left him in the dust. It's a cold world, we all just need the sun, he said with a smile. I choose altars over stages, 'cause heaven is my wages. I don't need the spotlight, so make me a silhouette. I won't fret, I don't care, you can take me anywhere. Heaven is my wages, I choose altars over stages. Even angels in the sky can fall down to the depths, flip their wings with their pride, and rot what's in their chest. The funny thing about pride is that you have it all your life, but the moment you think you don't, it's gotten in your eyes. Ooh, has it gotten in my eyes? I choose altars over stages, 'cause heaven is my wages. I don't need the spotlight, so make me a silhouette. I won't fret, I don't care, you can take me anywhere. Heaven is my wages, I choose altars over stages.
All right, now before I break this song down, if you would like to check out the chord chart for this song, you can click right up there to head over to my Patreon page where you can find that. Now, for this song, we're going to be playing it in the key of C, and I'm going to be playing the same 4-chord progression over and over for this entire song. So that makes it nice and easy to memorize. So we're going to be starting with that C chord, and then from there, we have an E minor. I'm playing it with my second and third finger. And then from there, I'm going to drop that second, third finger down each a string and put my first finger down on the first fret of the B string. And I've got my A minor. Now, I've been playing this with as an A minor 7, so that's without your third finger. So that's just one less finger to think about, but you can play it either way with a regular A minor or an A minor 7. And then from there, go to an F over C, and this is a great F alternative in the C family. We don't have to bar anything, so it's a good option. And that's it for the song. We're just going to be playing those 4 chords over and over again. Now for the strum pattern, we're going to be using a nice simple 4-beat strum pattern. We have 4 down strums, and then an up strum after beat 4, and then the pattern repeats, and that's it. We want to put our emphasis, though, on beat 1 and 3. So that means every other beat, I'm going to be strumming harder, and that's an important part of this pattern. So with my strings muted, I'm just going to play that. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1. So you can practice that strum pattern like that if you're brand new to it, and just get used to it, practicing it alone without playing it with a song at first. Okay. And yeah, that's pretty much it for this song. There's nothing complicated here. We just got the verse and the chorus. Everything stays the same with our strum patterns. The only thing that changes is the words that we're going to be singing. So very straightforward song. But if you do have any questions about how to play this, feel free to post any of your questions in the comment section of this post on my Patreon page. Again, you can click right up there to head over and check that out. All right. I wish you the best of luck. And until next time, take care.